So Reachables is comprised of 3 sets of 30 cards. There's the child qualities deck, parent qualities deck, and a family goals deck. And a parenting educator working with a parent, they often would start with talking about goals parents have for their children. Parents like to talk about their children, so it's really kind of a nice one to start with first. So if I were a parent educator working with a family, I would lay out the cards so that the parent could see the picture and the words that are on these cards. And these are qualities that a parent might like to see in their child. And I'd ask them to pick out maybe 10 of these qualities that they think they'd like to see in their child. And then I'd ask them to look at those and make the stack smaller, so going down to about 5 cards. So let's say independent and self-confident, responsible, kind, respectful might be the ones that are coming up for them the most then. And then we would pick one of these cards that they're thinking about the most, and I might have the parent describe to me what they mean by that so that they're really clear about what that looks like to them. And then we would talk about something that they may already be doing with their child that helps to build this particular quality. So if it's respectful, one of the things that's really effective for helping to teach a child to be respectful is by respecting the child.
Sometimes when a mom gets down and thinks, oh my gosh, I've just had such a hard week, we can get out those parent qualities and look at all the things that you are doing right, or get out the child qualities and look at all the things that you're doing for your child.
And the family goal cards have more words on them. They have a descriptor at the bottom. So for example, the food card says, do you have enough food for your family? And so that helps to give some suggestions for what this word might mean. The faith card says, how can you share your faith with your child? And so those are helpful to parents because some of the family goals can feel a little more complicated. We go through the same process, picking 10 different qualities or things that parents want to have in their families, and help the parents talk about small, concrete steps that they can do to make some of these qualities a reality in their family. When home visitors are working with families over a long period of time, let's say 3 years, the goal-setting cards are something that we would use again and again after a number of visits, building rapport with the family. If the home visitor is seeing a family once a week, it might be something that at the beginning they're using weekly, and then maybe once a month.